Hi, I'm Engineer Ice. So ito ulit yung another problem sa hydrostatic, which is plane surfaces. Ito naman yung nakatagilid na gate. Yan, naka-incline. Which is paborito rin to ng examiner. Ulit-ulit din tong lumalabas. So, a triangular gate with vertex situated 2 meters below the surface is 60 degrees from the horizontal. So yung triangular gate daw is with vertex situated 2 meters below the surface. Ito vertex niya, yung dulo. Yan. Below the water surface daw ng 2 meters. Yan. And is 60 degrees from the horizontal. Yan. 60 degrees pa dito. Depende na lang sa'yo. Dimensions are 1.2 meter base. Ito yung base. 1.2 meters. And yung height naman daw nitong triangle is 0.9 meters. Yan. Hindi binigay yung figure kaya kayo ang gagawa para ma-visualize nyo mabuti. The base is parallel to the water surface. Parallel to the water surface yung base. Yan. Sinabing parallel, ganyan. Pag perpendicular, ganyan. And, yan. So, number 1, obtain the force in kilonewton acting on one side of the gate. So, napahanap yung hydrostatic force or yung F dito sa figure. Yung F nga pala is, lagi siyang nasa center of pressure. Yan, yung hydrostatic force. Yan. So, it is eccentricity, yung CP to CG, which is eccentricity. So, F is equals to PCG times A. So, yung PCG is equals to gamma of water, unit weight, times H bar. Yung H bar is from the center of gravity to the water surface. Yan. So, yung area ng object. So, dito muna tayo sa H bar. 2/3 times 0.9. Bakit siya 2/3? Kasi from the vertex to the center of gravity. Yan. Kapag triangle, tandaan nyo na lang, kapag dyan yung distance to the center of gravity, yan. 2/3 yan. Kapag dito naman sa base, 1/3 yan of the height. Yan, times lang sa height. So, 2/3 times 0.9 sin 60 degrees. Kasi, naka-incline siya. Automatic sin 60 degrees yan. Kasi, ito, yan. Ito siya, ito is 2 meter. Yan. Wala sa kanya yung angle, which is sin 60 degrees. Tandaan nyo na lang sin. Wala. Dito sa ganitong problem, di naman depende. Kadalasan sin. Plus 2, which is ito. Kaya, dapat master nyo yung trigo. H bar is equals to 2.52 meters. Yan. So, natin, substitute. Yan. Gamma of water, 9.81. H bar, 2.52. Yan. Yung area is 1/2 times base times height. Yan. Yung force natin is 13.35 kN, which is letter B. So, number 2 naman. What is the location of the hydrostatic force? Yan, F. From the center of the gate. Yan. From the center of the gate. Which is yung eccentricity lang. Yan. Yung formula ng eccentricity natin is I, moment inertia of the object or the gate, which is rectangular, over yung area ng gate, and yung y bar. Yung y bar nga pala is y bar pag incline, sabi ko, h bar over sin 60. Tandaan nyo na lang yan. Kumbaga pag naka-incline or may angle yung gate natin. Pero kung hindi naman, y bar is equals to h bar lang. So dito, naka-incline 60 degrees. So, dito tayo sa inertia. BH cube over 36. Formula yan sa triangle. Tandaan nyo na lang din yan. Madali lang yan. Pag rectangle, BH cube over 12. Kapag triangle, over 36. Yan. Kapag circle, pi over 64. D raised to 4. Siguro, hindi ko natanda. Yan. Yan, substitute lang natin yung base 1.2, yung height is 0.9 raised to 3 over 36, which is yung inertia natin is 0.0243. And yung area naman, 1/2 times base times height nung gate, which is 0.54 square meter. And yun namang y bar, which is, yan nga, sabi ko tandaan nyo na lang, h bar over sin 60. So yung h bar natin, nakuha natin kanina, which is 2.52. Dito sa number 1, yan, nakuha natin 2.52 over sin 60, which is, yung y bar is 2.91 meters. So substitute ulit, salpak natin. So yung eccentricity niya is 0.015. Yan na rin yung location of the hydrostatic force from the center of the gate, yung location, which is eccentricity. So letter C. So number 3, find the normal force at the vertex to open the gate if gate is hinged at the bottom. Pinapahanap naman yung normal force daw dun sa vertex ng gate. Dito. Yan, which is P. Ginawang P. At to open the gate, if gate is hinged at the bottom, hinge daw yung bottom ng gate. So yan, para mabuksan. So, kukontrahin nyo yung force. So, ayan. F, nakuha na natin kanina. Number 1, yung X, yan, sinabi ko nga, from the base of the triangle to the center, 1/3 times yung height niya, which is 0.9. So, yung X natin is 0.3. Magagamit natin yan sa moment arm, pag nag-moment tayo sa hinge. Moment arm ng hydrostatic force. So, yung is nakuha na natin, yung number 2. So, moment times hinge, sa hinge, para makuha natin yung normal force, which is P. Yan, moment tayo. So, P, tapos yung perpendicular, ano niya, distance, or yung moment arm. Yan, which is 0.9. Yan, tapos yung, so F, 13.35 times yung moment arm niya, yan. 0.3, kaya natin kinuha yung X. Yan, 0.3. Minus lang natin ang E. Yan na yung distance niya to hinge. Yung moment arm niya na yan. So yan, ganyan ginawa natin. Minus 0.015. Minus, kasi ito is clockwise. So ito is counterclockwise, kaya minus. So clockwise is positive. Minus P times yung moment arm niya, 0.9 equals 0. So P is equals to 4.22 kilonewton, which is letter D. That's all.